Good day, friends. Welcome to midweek analysis as to where the market is heading towards. One second, let me check my volume. Volume is I've increased the volume. I hope you're able to hear. As you might see, we have DK weekly analysis on Sunday as to where the market is headed towards. It gave an early indication last Friday that the market would fall down. Right, so there would be a slight correction, right? Whether it's slight, big, small, we never know. But it gave an indication last Friday that market is moving towards a downtrend. So Monday, Tuesday, as you might have seen, the market fall down. There was a gap down, stabilize, and again it fall down. So 2 days back to back gap down and fall down. So right now we are sitting on 17th midweek, and we are doing an analysis of midweek as to what the next 2 days of how the market will behave for 18th and 19th. Okay. So again, as you know, so we have to be first on 5,000 feet above. Look at where the market is, and as the plane lands from 5,000 to 3,000, 2,000, 1,000, and suddenly it lands. So what you need to look at is the monthly analysis, right? Then the weekly analysis, then the daily analysis, and then the 15 minute analysis. In this particular video, I will not do that 15-minute analysis because that's the analysis which I do on it daily market daily analysis, bank nifty especially, right? So I would request you to look at this video and stay till the end and see how the market looks for the next 2 days. And for the daily analysis, especially for 18th, to look at the daily analysis. I'll put the link onto the description as well. Okay, so start with the monthly analysis. So if you look at the monthly analysis, right, it still remains intact, but the last candle, if you see, we're sitting on 17th, so we're sitting on mid-week right now, right? We hardly have how many working days to play. So 18th, 19th, that is 2, 5, 7 days, right? So 7 days, 7, no, 9 days. 9 days being for the month to close on, and we are already completed 5, 5, 10, 12, and one was already 10. So approximately we're sitting on the midweek and where the market is. If you look at the midweek, the market is showing an inverted hammer. Okay. Again, as I said, don't go with the fancy words, the inverted hammer, doji, blah, 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 blah. What you look at is whose weightage is higher. If you look at it, the buyer came in, the seller pushed the buyer back. So right now, seller is on top of the buyer. You never know, for the remaining days in the week in the month, buyer can come back and the trend of the uptrend will still continue. So we are still, so I would say we are not decided downtrend yet as of now for the monthly analysis. We are saying that it's cautious. Let's come back to the weekly analysis. We are going back to the weekly analysis. I'll make it a bit bigger so it's visible for everyone, right? So last week it prepared the inverted hammer. That's what I told you. It looks like the market will trend down, and the weekly again it fall down, right? Where will it go till? If you look at the downtrend, till where it's going towards. So if you look at this one, here it came up, down, and again came up and down. It tried down, and so we'll make a line here, right? So I'm preparing a line here, just as the point. Left and right, and I will make it green color. As you know, I love green color for support. Okay, so this is what it was, and the moment this particular at one given point of time on 11th September, 17th July, it was resistor strong resistance, and in this particular day there was a gap up, and it broke down the resistors. It broke down with a heavy buy candle. Right now, the first point is where will it fall down? So first thing it will come back to is 46,070. So you can, and on a round figure, the strong support which we are saying is 46,000, right? If it needs to fall down, sometimes what happens is it bounce back in the midway as well. But and the mindset you need to think that 46,000 is stronger support. If it breaks down, then I would what we can do is we can create a box here, right? So it's never a single line. What we'll do is we'll create a box here. I'm creating a box. See, and this point. So what do you look at it is now this is where the market was in turbulence mode, right? I will just as you say for gap up I make it gray, but for this video I'm just making it a gray color just for our knowledge, color difference. Here you see there was a lot of turbulence here, and then this is where it started bouncing back. So this was so when it came down from here, this was a dummy breakout for people the fear people who are scared of market to push they make pull them out from the market, and again it bounced back. So two stronger supports 46,000. The next stronger support is 43,000 44,300, or you can say 44,300 to 500. That is a stronger support. I would not scare you with that as of now. We can do Fibonacci as well. Let's do Fibonacci series, okay? If you understand that, or if not, don't worry. We can read the Fibonacci where the Fibonacci came in. Fibonacci retracement, right? Is another tool which we can use. What it does is it gives tell us still what the correction would be. Okay, so we have to put the drag it from the bottom and take till the end. So the next point, as I said, right? So the Fibonacci 0.23% is so it's showing as 46,500. Is the one stronger support. Then, as per the Fibonacci, and the next 0.38, it says to be 45,000, and then 43,800. So these are the supports, but I don't think it will fall to that level. At the max, I think it will go to 46,500 or 46,000, because this war if, if it falls down, only the reason is if there is a retaliate to Israel. Else, I think so. If you look at BJP manifesto yesterday also. Yesterday or day before yesterday, Modi came into ANI channel, and there was an interview with him, and by the sound of it sounds to be a very positive message as to where the government is heading towards, at least for the market, right? So let's hope for the best. I think so. Maximum 46,500, 46,000 would be the support. So 1,000 to 1,500 points down from here is what I see. uh, and if the market starts ignoring it, nothing happens like Ukraine, Russia, right? You might see a bounce back in next 15 days or so. Another thing is there is election going on, so market should ignore this noises, slight noise here and there, um, and then move towards where election is heading towards. I am pretty sure, or we should expect that till election, till the exit poll, or even on the big election day or result out day, market would be on the uptrend. So don't worry about it. If you are invested, stay invested. I would say this downfall is a golden opportunity for you to correct your portfolio. If you have bad stocks, remove it through it. If you have good stocks, average it out, right, and make those portfolio more sensible to you. Okay, coming back to the daily analysis. I will just undo this chart. The trend lines will just confuse if you go to daily analysis. Okay, so this is weekly. We're coming back to the daily analysis. What happened to daily analysis? Okay, now this is a doji pattern. What do you mean by doji pattern? So buyer first, the seller came in, the buyer came in, and wherever the market opens, the market closed, approximately closed, at the same point. That's called doji pattern. If you heard the term doji, it's just that wherever it opens, it closes. So there is no clarity. So market is confused. So I would say on a daily basis, the market is cautious. So you have to be cautious, obviously. So, and one reason I would say is Tuesday 17th was Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty expiry, right? So that might be one of the reason why it is doji, because In the second half there was a short covering, if you understand, right? So people try to close the positions on the expiry day, especially for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So it created doji. Today's a holiday, 17th. Thursday 18th, again Nifty is expiring. So I don't think so you will get a clear picture of where the market heading towards tomorrow as well, because of Nifty expiry. People, ignore all the noises here and there, unless and it's a big noise. People ignore the noises and play expiry, big shots. Even nowadays, the retailers have started playing. I myself, being a retailer, play this expiry as all expiry well, because expiry days are good days where you can good money. Obviously, there's a chance of you losing it as well. But if you have patience, putting your trend at the right, um, you know, putting your alerts at the same time, putting a stick stop loss helps you a lot. Okay, that's the daily analysis. So on a monthly front, it is still not clear. It sounds like we are moving towards an inverted happen pattern. Weekly, it is on the downtrend, and on a daily basis, it's cautious. So that's where it is. On a 15 minutes chart, look at my daily analysis video and draw the trend line as per me, or you can follow the trend line, and it's easier for you to know where the market is heading towards. Okay, thanks everyone. Thanks for joining us, and happy Ram Navami. Happy Ram Navami. Take care. Bye.